The Central University of Haryana was established in 2009 and the university began its work in a small building provided by the government B.Ed College in Arnaul. The university moved to its present location in 2013, nestled in the lap of the Aravallis. Within 7 years, the student strength has grown manifold from 32 in 2009-10 to 1,200 in 2015-16. The university attracts students from the length and breadth of the country. Presently, the university has on its rolls students from 18 states. In a short span of time, the university has groomed 168 students for master's degree, 94 scholars for MPhil degree, and 19 scholars for PhD degrees. In the second convocation of the university, Honorable Chief Guest, Minister of Human Resource Development, Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, awarded PhD degrees to the PhD scholars. With the concerted and collective efforts of the university fraternity, university has started making its mark on the map of the country. Since infrastructural development is a prerequisite for the growth of a new university, the university has embarked on several major construction projects which are underway. These include, inter alia, the 3 academic blocks, the state-of-art laboratories for science discipline, the advanced research facility for social sciences, 100 kilowatt solar power plant, water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, health center, 3 electrical substations, residential complex for teaching and non-teaching staff, networking of roads between academic blocks and residential complexes, street lights and guest houses. Most of the projects are scheduled for completion within 1 year. Brick and mortar are not what make a university. It gets its name from its knowledge capital, namely the students who bring laurels to the university while making a name for themselves. The real task is imparting values, excellence and professionalism, which is being performed by our faculty members with full commitment and dedication. Making use of the available resources and talent pool on the campus, various organs of the university like Group for Promotion of Art, Culture and Heritage, Youth, Red Cross and NSS units, Center for Community Development, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Cell, Women Empowerment Cell and Legal Aid Clinic conduct several programs within the university and in adopted villages. In addition to the rigorous academic agenda, University envisions to contribute as a catalyst for social transformation in tune with the objectives of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan of the Government of India. To achieve this goal, we have established the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Cell and the Center for Community Development. Under these initiatives, we have adopted 8 villages adjoining the university, namely Jat, Pali, Dholi, Lawan, Malda, Burjat, Dhana and Sehlang. Some of the programs recently conducted under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan and community development include awareness programs on women education, science exhibition for school children, Swachhata Abhiyan in adopted villages, health checkup camp for the women of adopted villages, celebration of International Day of Girl Child in the adopted villages, plantation drive in and around the campus, and Aadhaar card camp for adopted villages. The university is improving its academic output by optimal utilization of ICT infrastructure and smart classrooms. In recognition of the need and importance of internet in the field of education, the university campus has gone Wi-Fi. The university's profile is crucially dependent on its scientific credentials. The university is making a huge investment to create a state-of-the-art science infrastructure. In addition to the existing science department, the university has introduced 4 new departments under the School of Interdisciplinary and Applied Life Sciences from the current session, namely Departments of Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Microbiology and Nutrition Biology. To further increase versatility and resourcefulness, we have entered into Memorandum of Understandings with organizations such as National Cooperative Union of India, New Delhi, Central Electronic Engineering Research Institute, Pilani, Rajasthan, Technology Application Services, New Delhi, Liberty Shoes Limited, Karnal, Haryana. Further, to take another step in enhancing employability, the Central University of Haryana has introduced Masters in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, 3 vocational programs, namely Bachelor of Vocation in Retail and Logistics Management, Biomedical Sciences, and Industrial Waste Management under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Kaushal Kendra scheme. The introduction of creche, Abhilasha Self-Help Center, Swawalamban, and the Wi-Fi Park, Four Seasons in the university campus will further add to the university's agenda of holistic growth. Special efforts are being made to digitize the university administration by providing online access to all services and facilities of the university. The university, in keeping with its focus on the all-round development of the students, is excelling in promoting cultural activities. The latest being the first youth festival organized by the university, Spandan 2016, which was graced by Chief Minister of Haryana, Shri Manohar Lal, as a chief guest. The university, with its collective and collaborative effort of the faculty members, students, and the esteemed leadership of its Vice Chancellor and internationally acclaimed scientist Professor R.C. Kohar, is moving to a stage from where it can stand out as a premier institution of higher education and research.
Ladies and gentlemen, Central University of Haryana has picked up its momentum and moving in its right direction. At present, we are running master's course in 25 different disciplines, and very soon we are going to start B.Ed and M.Ed courses under School of Education from the session 2016-17. We are very seriously planning to start undergraduate courses, particularly in engineering and in other disciplines as well. I can say happily and proudly that teaching, non-teaching staff and our students are working very hard to strengthen the foundation of this university and to fulfill our dream to bring this university to the track of excellence.
We are sanguine that the university will not only bring laurels to its alumni but also to the region.